In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect everything in Notion, hub and spokes. Think of the setup like a central control room with clear pathways to all the moving parts of your work. It keeps projects, tasks, notes, and references connected so you always know where to look and nothing falls through the cracks. Start by creating your hub page. This is your central topic, such as a project, a client, a team, or a knowledge base. Give it a clear name and a short description so its purpose is obvious at a glance. Add content directly on the page using headings, text, checklists, and media. If any section needs depth, create subpages with the page command and tuck detailed information inside. If you already have material in other tools, import it or paste it in. A quick tip, keep titles consistent with what you used before and add a brief summary at the top so imported content fits your system immediately. Next, build your spokes using relation properties. Open the database that represents a spoke, like a tasks database. Add a new property, choose relation, and link it to the database that represents your hub, such as projects. Rename the relation to something intuitive, like project, so it's easy to filter and read later. Now for each item in your spoke, link it to the right hub item. For example, when creating a task, select its project in the relation field. This gives you a two-way connection. Your project knows its task and your tasks know their project. On your hub page, bring information together with linked databases. Type / linked view of database and select an existing database like tasks. You'll see a live view of that database right inside your hub. Add a filter so it only shows items related to the current hub item, such as tasks where the project relation matches this page. Choose a view that suits the job, table for detail, board for status, list for quick scanning, and add sorts to surface what matters first. Finally, add inline links to keep context front and center. Mention other pages directly in your writing by typing double brackets and searching for the page, or paste a Notion link and select mention page to keep the title clean. Use the @ symbol to reference dates, people, or pages, and the plus sign to create an inline link on the fly. These tiny links make your notes navigable without breaking your flow. That's the hub and spoke system in Notion. A clear hub, relational spokes, smart linked views, and light touch inline links that keep everything connected and easy to use.